Hi Crochet Lovers, welcome back to Miguel's Crochet. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this cute little glasses for, some of my Wiwis. As you guys can see right in front of me, I have the super cute patron Wiwi, which is basically me in Wiwi form. So this will be a tutorial on how to do the glasses. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, first thing you will need is black craft wire. I'm using black craft wire, size 1.5 millimeter. To grab your craft wire, you will also need pliers, to cut the craft wire, and you will also need something like round shaped so you can shape the glasses. In this case, I'm gonna use this tube, and this tube is, the size is, let's measure it. So it's about, let me flip it. Alright guys, it's basically like 1 inch. Alright guys, so let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is cut about maybe 12 or 15 inches of black craft wire, so you have enough. I didn't really measure it, but just cut enough so you have enough black craft wire to shape the glasses. Alright guys, and now what I like to do first is, this will be like kind of the tail black of the glasses. So right here I'm just gonna wrap the wire around, as you guys can see right there, and this will be the tail of the glasses. So this I will just kind of flip it to the side. Alright you guys, and there we go. This will be our first pair of glasses, and here I will kind of just push it a little bit, you guys. I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna repeat the same step. So I think this will be enough, kind of like this. I don't want the glasses to be, very far apart from each other. So I'm gonna repeat the same step here, flip it, and this will be the next pair. As you guys can see, I'm gonna flip this, and there you go guys. Here we have our first pair of glasses, and this, this part you can kind of pinch it to shape the glasses however you like. And the last step, you guys, is basically cut the wire. So I'm gonna cut it. The glasses doesn't need to be perfect, but the round shape is what is the most important. Let me see, is it even? I think so. No, you can cut it a little bit more, but first you will need to test it on your Wiwi. And there you go guys. This is how I made the glasses. It's super easy, super quick. You can make many glasses. It's really good, especially if you plan to make big glasses, because you do have the little glasses that you can purchase already, but these are more like custom made, especially for your Wiwi that I designed. And yeah, so yeah guys, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And as for the, if you're planning to using on my Wiwi design, you just need to pinch it, on each side and just push it through. And yeah guys, with that being said, I want to thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys are planning to get my Patreon Wiwi, you can find it on my website at wiwi.migicrafts.com. Alright guys, see you guys soon. Bye.